So, you are what you eat. We've all heard that before, right? But it isn't just about food. It's about how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. I, in my nursing classes, have studied nutrition and proper nutrition, and I've done some research on my own recently about how to be healthier, and so I wanted to share some of those tips and ideas that I found out with you guys today. So we all make choices every day, food choices, whether or not to exercise, if we're going to drink water, and those types of things that do help us to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And maybe I can share some things that you can use. So today I'm going to speak about how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. We're going to talk about hydration, exercise, and healthy diet and nutrition. Let's look at the benefits of water. The United States Geological Survey points out that 60% of your body is water. It's in every cell, and it's the major component of your blood. People can survive a lot longer without food than they can without water because it's such a necessity. So we all know that it's vital for our survival. And this is a great picture that shows what water does for your body. And I'll just read a few of them. It actually forms your saliva, which helps in digestion. It regulates your body temperature. It helps deliver oxygen all over the body. And it lubricates your joints so that you can move. So we know that water is very important. Now, according to the Mayo Clinic, it's more individualized, the amount of water that each person needs. However, a lot of people use the 8x8 rule, which I know many of you have heard already. It's 8 glasses of water that are 8 ounces per day. But actually, if you're an adult man, you need 3 liters of water a day. And for adult females, you need 2.2 liters of water per day. And even those numbers fluctuate depending on whether or not you're very active and exercising, whether it's hot or humid outside for the weather, if you have an illness where you're running fever or you're experiencing vomiting or diarrhea, or pregnant women also need to increase their water intake. So now that we've discussed how to fit in your water for the day, let's talk about exercise. So you want to start slowly. Walking is best, and if you don't know where to start, that's just the best way to go. The American Heart Association on their website says not to worry if you can't do it all at once. According to what they say, you will still experience the benefits of the exercise even if you divide the time that you're supposed to spend each day into smaller increments, like 2 or 3 times a day with 10 to 15 minutes of exercise versus the recommended 30 minutes 5 times a week. So you can actually break it down into smaller increments and it'll still be beneficial for you. Pinterest is one of my personal favorite websites, and it has a multitude of useful ideas on there for ideas for exercising and for a healthy diet. And this one in particular has jumbo craft sticks, and each of the exercises are written on here, and probably on the back it tells you how many. So this one says 25 mountain climbers. So you take all of your daily, what you want to do in a day, and you group them in a daily workout cup, and then you pull one out. Say if you just have 5 minutes, you can pull one out and you can do 5 minutes worth of exercise, and when you're finished, you just put it in the done cup, and at the end of the day, you'll know how much of your daily workouts you've been able to do. It's just a neat way to track it. So, another one that I really like, and this one's really easy to do. It's a way to burn 100 calories. So it's 40 jumping jacks, 30 crunches, 20 squats, 10 push-ups, and if you do those one time, you burn 100 calories. So if you wanted to burn 500 calories in a day, you would do that 5 times. You could do it 5 different times. It didn't all have to be at the same time. And that's a good way to to be active. So, okay, since we looked at water and exercise, let's explore how to eat a well-balanced diet. Many of you are familiar with the new initiative, ChooseMyPlate.gov. This, Michelle Obama was had a very important role in implementing this, and it's sponsored by the United States Department of Agriculture, and they suggest that you eat a diet that's low in fat, low in sodium, and low in added sugar. So you don't want to add sugar to a lot of things. Fruits have sugar in them naturally, of course, so fruits are good, but even with the fruits, you want more vegetables than fruits because it still has sugar in it. It's just naturally occurring sugar. This website is amazing. It has lots of interactive tools. I signed up for a daily email, and it gives you cooking tips, exercise tips, and little daily reminders and encouragement that I've found to be really helpful. So that's a good one. It's ChooseMyPlate.gov. And one of my personal favorite tools to use for a healthy lifestyle is MyFitnessPal, and some of you may know what that is. You can use it on your computer or on any device with an app, and it lets you can put in your goals. It measures your goals. It helps you track those. You can sync it with an activity tracker such as a Fitbit like this, or any other time. Maybe you use your phone for tracking your steps, and you can integrate that all together. And in my psychology class recently, a psychology textbook, we talked about behavior modification and self-recording. Self-recording is what you would use the MyFitnessPal for because you're keeping track and you know. And the act of knowing in your mind that you're being observed tends to work for us as humans because it just reminds us that we're being observed. So, okay, so today I've spoken with you about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. We talked about adequate water intake, how to find time to exercise, and we also talked about how to eat a well-balanced diet. So I hope you can use some of these tips I've given you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And I'd like to leave you with a little humor before we go. From an unknown speaker. She says, just remember, you are what you eat, so don't be fast, cheap, easy, or fake. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.